Yo, so today is 3 days out. It's 6 a.m. right now, and I'm feeling good. I'm feeling a lot better. These past couple of days have sucked, and I realized why. My lady told me why, and I didn't even realize it. I thought I was getting enough sleep, but I wasn't actually. I was only getting like 6 hours of sleep a day these past couple of days, and yesterday I decided to sleep at 10 p.m. and I woke up at 6. So how many hours is that? 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's like, I had like 8 hours of sleep last night, and I don't feel like garbage. And I am super excited today because it's been a rough couple of days, and yeah, I feel good today. I'm ready to kill it, and I'm making some breakfast right now, and then I'm gonna head to the gym to do some Stairmaster, my favorite cardio of the day. Alright guys, so I'm about to head to the gym right now, but just wanted to talk about the importance of self-care and sleep, especially during this time if you're prepping. I know in mainstream media and everything, everyone always talks about, you know, working late nights and grinding and getting everything done, which is what I used to do. I mean, I still kind of do it in a way because I work like 5 to 10 jobs. But especially if you're prepping like right now, especially me, I'm starting to realize the importance of sleep, because like your body definitely needs it, and recovery, and like you just don't want to feel like garbage in the gym, and that's what I've been feeling these past couple of days. So I'm really taking advantage of just sleeping in general, and so please get at least 8 hours of sleep if you can. Prioritize it because it's definitely necessary. Crossing the street, and make it a habit, make it a priority. You need to do it. It's highly important. And so yesterday was like the first time I actually got like 8 hours of sleep, like in ages. And so since competition is coming up in like 2 days, I'm really going to prioritize it tonight, teach my Zumba class tonight, and then just get home and just knock out. Stairmaster vlogs. So we got 1 hour. Gonna try to hit up 900 calories in an hour. So let's do this. I did want to talk about my past video where I was like super out of it, and like I think it's good to talk about how it's, you know, when you're competing or you're doing anything or you're trying to achieve something in life, a lot of people that are just like trying to achieve a goal and stuff are always just showing the positive side about trying to achieve a goal. I never show the bad stuff, the bad days. And I think it's okay to be vulnerable. I think it's, you know, like, it's okay to show that you're struggling. Because everyone is just so caught up in the, you know, sleep 3 hours a day and then wake up early, grind. But it shouldn't be like that. I think it's very important that you get your rest, that you're prioritizing your sleep, that if you are going to grind real hard, that you at least get enough rest, and you're prioritizing and you're scheduling things out properly, and you're thinking about your self-care. Like if you are trying to achieve a goal and you're trying to do something, it's okay to be vulnerable. It's okay to show your bad side. It's okay to show your tired side. But at the end of the day, get back up, push a million times harder, and we all go through the struggle. So I challenge you and I encourage you today, if you're going through some stuff and you're struggling through stuff, it's okay, it's normal. Just gotta go a million times harder the next day. And know that at the end of the day, you're gonna reach that goal. Hopefully this inspires you to keep pushing a million times harder, even if you have those bad days. Like I said, it's okay to be vulnerable. Talk to somebody, talk to your coach, talk to your friends, surround yourself with positive people. They'll help you get through your day. Yeah, 1 hour done. Oh, by the way, if you guys haven't had a chance yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. As you can see, this is episode 4 at the time of this video. I'm shooting episode 6, so would love if you guys would support this channel. We're continuing to grow it, so I can provide you more content and motivation. Subscribe. Suds a lot. Suds a lot about what? Woo! Let that thing rain. Oh yeah. Damn, the sun is like super harsh. Hey buddy, what's up? Alright guys, so we're at Vaughn's. Gonna pick up some blueberries for show day. For Friday actually, and actually for tomorrow, which is Thursday. So I'm practically on a all-fish diet right now, so I do have to buy some salmon because I ended up doing tilapia for a while, so I actually get to have salmon on this Thursday, Friday, and potentially Saturday for show day. So let's go find some salmon.
You have a scan now. 6, 9, 7.
And that concludes our shopping trip. Just got the basic essentials. Time to head home, get ready for my haircut, and I will see you guys in a bit. Alright boys and girls, just got my fresh cut. Sheesh. What do y'all think? It's like a number 1 / fade / lineup / hard part / high fade / down. So yeah, I look very K-pop, but once I get my tan on Friday, I might look more Filipino than what I do now. Because right now I'm like white as fuck, but I'm ready for that tan life. Anyways guys, I'm about to hit up the gym right now, and the gym that I'm going to is like always so packed. So it's going to be very difficult to film. And I just want to thank you guys for joining me on this vlog today. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe, like, follow. Like I said, we're going on a road to 1 million by 2023. That's my goal, and I'm going to make it happen. We're going to make it happen. So subscribe now. Tell all your friends about me. I hope this video inspires you to just get your fitness on today. Have a good one. Thanks.